Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a free software called GIMP. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to a web browser and we're just going to type in GIMP, GIMP.org. Press enter and that'll take us to the GIMP website. Now, it's quite easy to find the downloads. You can either go to the downloads section at the top or right at the front on their main page, you can just click on the big download button. Now, I've already downloaded this just for time's sake, but you can just click on that and that should start downloading GIMP. And once that's finished downloading, you can just go to your download section in File Explorer, and you should see your installation file there. Now, I'm just going to double click that to run it, and I'm going to say yes, I want to install it for all users, or you can install it for yourself only, but I will just leave it as recommended. And that will probably prompt for yes or no, so I'm just going to click yes, I want to install. And then you can select your language. Now it's got all kinds of languages, but I'm just going to leave it as is, as English, and click OK. I'm going to click install. And that'll start installing. Now GIMP's quite a big application, so it'll take a little while to download, but I will just pause the video for now, and once it's done, I will come back. Alright, once that's finished installing, you can just click finish, and that is it. It is now installed. So if you go to your start menu, you should see GIMP right at the top in the recently added. So we'll just go ahead and click on that, and that'll start up GIMP. Now, like I said in the beginning, it's quite a big application, so it does take a few seconds to even a minute to load, just depending on your computer specs. And we'll just let that start up. And there you go, it's installed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you next time.